Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage and welcome to part 7 of this massive auction unboxing, proving that I can be trusted at auction. The sun is out again, so let's continue with part 7. Only a million more boxes to go. Let's start. Let's get back on my knees. Let's start with a regular forklift, another Sierra. If you watched part 1, we have a million of these Sierras. We have a 450 Cell, S-E-L, a Formula, that's strange, a 6-wheeled Formula 1 car. And we have a pickup, this is a Ford Lightning pickup, motorcycle, Ducati motorcycle. A Mercedes is an M-Class, something a part of a motorcycle, I'm guessing. Then we have a Ford Focus, a Audi, fun. Next we have, this is an RS 2000 Escort. We have a kind of bronze Honda motorcycle, pretty nice. A lot of stuff is falling out, that's strange. Next we have this Mercedes DTM car. Coca-Cola, what is this? This is a Mustang, I think. Yes. Next we have the police car, Mercedes. A BMW, this is a 7 Series, I think it is. Not really sure, comment down below. If you're interested in any of these cars, please shoot me a comment down below and we will get to the prices. Then we have an Audi. A minivan, this is a Renault Espace. Formula 1 car. Next we have a Skoda, I think this is a Fabia rally car. On to the next, another Formula 1 car, no name brand, I think. Yes, it doesn't have a brand. Dorta Motor. We have a Subaru Impreza rally car. A Peugeot 206, nice. Let's take out the big one. This is a Bugatti 11GB. Lovely car, lovely condition, should clean up really nice. Then we have a BMW, this is an X5. Not a Formula 1 car. We have some part of a motorcycle, no, not sure, I think it's a part of a motorcycle, and a Land Rover. Next, this is a Matchbox Ford Courier. Nice car. Formula 1 car, part of a motorcycle. And we have a truck, another truck. Let's take out the tractor. Nice, this is no name brand. Let's see, quickly go through these. We have an old Mercedes. We have a little thing, is this a Mercedes? Yes. I'm actually going to sit down, there's a chair right here, I'm not using it. Next, this is just a truck. We got a wheel. And we got an Alfa Romeo GTV Spider. Love these cars. A Beetle. We have a Majorette Renault 4L. Nice restoration candidate actually. Then we have an Opel Omega. A little Mercedes A-Class. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a Majorette Chevy from 1957. Should clean up really nice, repainting the engine and things like that. Next, another Ford pickup, Mercedes ambulance, engine parts, motorcycle parts. Oh, then we have an Audi, this is a Matchbox Audi Quattro. We want to restore this one in the near future. Then we have a Ford Model A Hot Rod from Matchbox. Motorcycle, maybe we have a complete motorcycle, who knows. Another Renault Express. A Mercedes, this is a CL 500, nice car. Another Espace. A tractor. Next, oh, the front wheel of the motorcycle and the mud flap thingy. Then we have an ambulance, this is a Renault CX ambulance. Nice restoration candidate. It got the trunk, that's really rare. Let's see, we have another A-Class, Mercedes, a Porsche convertible, more motorcycle parts, Formula 1 car, Formula 1 car. Next we have, this is an Audi I think, from Muddy. Nice. Then we have some more motorcycle parts. The elephant in the room, this is a Porsche, I think this is a 356. Nice. Next we have, what is this? This is a Corvette, Chevrolet Corvette. A truck and another RS2000. Formula 1 car and another truck. I'll go through this a little bit faster than usual. We have a, not sure what this is. This is a Hot Wheels Dodge Charger SRT. Nice, and a truck. A tow truck and a regular truck. This is a Jaguar XJ220. Ooh, XJ220. A Porsche race car. Another wheel. Some more motorcycle parts. Let's see, we have a police motorcycle, a police car, and a Peugeot rally car. Let's see, a Coca-Cola. This is a Mustang. Ford Focus RS. Oh, this is a nice one. I actually have one of these. This is the Rough Track. It should have two motorcycles or one motorcycle on the back. And this is a really nice model actually. What is this? This is a Mitsubishi or Subaru I think. Then we have an MG. Almost to the first box. We have a Chevrolet police car and a VW. This is a Golf GTI, Golf 5 GTI. Next we have a truck and a little Porsche. Motorcycle part, motorcycle parts. This is a BMW thingy. What is this? No, this is a SS Commodore. We have a Land Rover from Burago. Nice. Mini and a Brand fire truck. The Jaguar. This is an XJ6. A Rolls Royce. This is a Silver Shadow. A Corgi Toys. This is a Buick Regal. Really nice. Love these American cars. Next we have a Escort rally car. A nice, what is this? This is a Chevrolet I think. And a Cadillac Elante. Nice. Four more cars to go in this first box. We have a Corvette and a Aston, is it an Aston Martin? Aston Martin DB7. Motorcycle part, police car. We have another ambulance. Just some cheaper cars, a Mazda RX-7. I see a nice beautiful little goat, like they call it in Belgium. Police car. This is a Opel Kadett SR. Police motorcycles and another police car right here. Start chucking it back in the box. This is a Saab. A Jeep Cherokee, I think this is. Grand Cherokee. Mazda RX-7. A pickup. This is a Ford Thunderbird. Then we have this Saab. This is a Mustang Mach 3. Mercedes station wagon. An Audi. And a little Fiat Punto. And this is a Land Rover, a really nice Majorette model. Little Mercedes, another Saab, another police car, some more cheap cars. This is a Ford no, it's, what is it? A Turbo Coupe, T-Bird Coupe. A Saab, Mercedes, some more ambulances. This is a Toyota, it is a RAV4. A Land Rover and a Mercedes that just fell, another station wagon Mercedes. Next we have a Coca-Cola, what is this? This is a, I don't know it, BMW Z6, a Porsche, a truck, another ambulance. We have this is a, not sure if you know what this is, comment down below. Another Jeep thingy, a school bus, no name brand, another ambulance. Then we have a Matchbox Mustang, two more Mercedes, another Mercedes, a little Toyota RAV4, a Porsche, another BMW station wagon, a Renault, this is a 4 I think, Renault Le Karst, the rest on the bottom, this is a V6 turbo, not sure what it is. Then we have another stock car, and last but not least we have a made in Holland BRM Formula 1 car. So this is everything for part 7 of our massive unboxing. Go to the description down below to see the other parts. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in a future video. Bye.